Hey there. So I've been doing some thinking. I have a project bike that is going to be hitting the road this summer, and it's not fully sorted yet. Had some major changes to the motor rebuild and everything. And until it's fully sorted, I don't really trust it that much. So, like I said, I've been thinking about it, and I wanted to get some tools for it. Just in case I get stuck somewhere. I don't want to have to call a tow truck. So normally in my touring bikes, I carry one of these tools. It's by a company called Bondhus. I think that's how you say it. It's their Gorilla Grip fold-up tool for Harley Davidson. It has all the popular tools, sizes, to do simple things if you get caught out on the road. So it has hex keys, Torx, bits, and screwdriver. Now it does have the 25 and the T25 and, oh no, actually it doesn't. And that's what got me thinking the other day. It has the T27 and the T40. It does not have the T25, which Harley does use on some of their products. So I was thinking maybe I'm a little unprepared. Normally, I carry this little black pouch. This goes inside the black pouch. Inside the black pouch, it has a Leatherman. It has a battery tender USB charger, my phone, a wall outlet. Let's say I stay overnight somewhere, flathead screwdriver for some odd reason, set of headphones, extra bulbs in case I burn out a bulb somewhere along the way, and some tie downs. So nothing much, and then whatever else happens to be on the bike. So I did go ahead and pick up a new tool for the bike. And then I was looking at the motorcycles, and I thought, I don't think that's going to be good enough. It doesn't even have T25. It's missing Allen. No, it's missing sockets and wrench sizes and so on and so forth. So simple things like changing out the battery or tightening down the battery might be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Yeah, you could use a Phillips head, but didn't think I was as prepared as I needed to be, especially with the new modifications. So, all right, so what I did was I went to Harbor Freight and picked up one of their tool rolls. And I picked up also one of their toolkits. It is the 130 piece kit by Pittsburgh. And the reason I did that was I knew I wanted to get a variety of sockets and wrenches, and instead of buying onesies and twosies, it was really the cheapest way to do that and get the sizes I needed. Now, this doesn't have everything. I'm still building on it. There's one or two things. I have a little list, but I think this is going to get me down the road. Now, this is in conjunction with one of these multi-tools that I'll be traveling with. So, for starters, let's see what I put together. I put together some wrenches, 10 millimeter for that battery, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, a socket, a ratchet, some tie wraps, because tie wraps always come in handy, some pliers. Heck, if something falls off, I can just secure it with pliers. I did pick up, the toolkit did come with some Allen keys, so I just threw all the SAE sizes in there. And at Harbor Freight, I picked up one of their Torx keys. I think it was like $5, if that. Nice compact. Now, this does have that T25 in it. So we put that right there. What else did I put in here? An adjustable. All right, so here are the sockets. So I have the 5/8 socket for the spark plugs, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 7/16, again the 10 millimeter for the battery, a 2-inch extension, some mechanics wire for safety wire that I had kicking around in my toolbox. Threw that in there. Also had my multi-tool. I had a bunch of these kicking around the garage. It works out pretty good, 6-in-1. Has, pretty basic, large number 2 screwdriver, number 2 Phillips, number 1 Phillips, 2 flatheads, plus these are hex. Spin tight action right there, as well as I think that's something as well. So that's what we got so far. On top of that, we got more stuff. Oh no, yeah. So on top of that, I'm planning on adding Loctite, a tire gauge, and some electrical tape, and then whatever else I happen to come across and think I may need. In a future video, I'm planning on actually using the kit, coming up with a list of things that may happen on the road, and trying to see if I can at least get to them here in the garage.